morning students. Today we are going to start the yesterday lessons Human Geography of Tamil Nadu. So today the following topics we are going to see. First topic, cropping seasons in Tamil Nadu. Cropping seasons in Tamil Nadu. Second topic, distributions of major crops. From this distribution major crops, paddy, millet, pulses, oilseeds, sugarcane, cotton, plantation crops. Before that, we want to see the cropping seasons in Tamil Nadu. So the farmers select different crops for different seasons of cultivations. It is based on the temperature and availability of moisture in the soil. According to the state has the following crops. In Tamil Nadu we have different seasons. First one Swarnavari, it's a Sittirai Pattam, and second one Adi Pattam. So these seasons will sowing period for April to May and Adi Pattam July to August. The Swarnavari, it is also called Chittirai Pattam. Chittirai Pattam, the seasons, the crops are harvesting period August to September. And next Adi Pattam, it is also called Navarai. This season's harvesting seasons is January to February and February to March. From these seasons, the major crops are cultivate Sittirai Pattam, millets and cotton. When Adi Pattam, the major crops are cultivate paddy, sugarcane, fruits, vegetables and cucumber. Next I will go to start the distributions of major crops. Distributions of major crops in Tamil Nadu. So first major crops, paddy. The paddy is the most important staple food crops of Tamil Nadu. Mostly in Tamil Nadu, all the states are cultivated in the paddy. This paddy, there were different variety of rices like Ponni, Kichadi Samba are the major variety of paddy grown in Tamil Nadu. Mostly 3 million hectares of the states is under rice cultivations. 3 million hectares are cultivated. Mostly this paddy is cultivated the following districts like Tanjavur, Tiruvarur, Tiruvallur, Kanjipuram, Viluppuram, Kadalur, Tirunelveli districts. Like it is also called the Kaveri Basin. Kaveri Basin. So the paddy is cultivated mostly in the Kaveri Basin. So our Tamil Nadu is a granary of Tamil Nadu. Granary of Tamil Nadu. Why they are saying the granary of Tamil Nadu? Mostly the paddy is cultivated in Tamil Nadu. Next I will go to start the millets. Millets from the staple food nearly 1/3 of the human populations of Tamil Nadu. Sorghum, it's like cholam, then ragi, then kambu. These are the millets are cultivated, the second staple food crops in Tamil Nadu. Mostly the millets are cultivated the following districts like Coimbatore, Dharmaburi, Vellore, Kadalur district. The bajra is mostly cultivated in Ramanathapuram, Tirunelveli, Karur and Perambalur districts. Next one, do you know the given? The India observed 2018 as a National Year of Millets. FAO. It has decided to observe the 2023 the International Year of Millets. Next topic, pulses. Pulses are the major source of protein. So mostly the pulses are provided as protein. The pulses are Bengal gram, black gram, green gram, cow bee and horse gram. The important pulses grown in Tamil Nadu. So this type of pulses are grown in the following districts like Chennai, Nilgiri, Kanyakumari. The following districts are cultivated. Next I will go to start the oil seeds. Oil seeds, it's very important for our day-to-day life. Without oil we can't cook any kinds of food. See here the major oil seeds like groundnut, gingerly, castor, coconut, and also sunflower. These are the oil seeds crops are cultivated in our Tamil Nadu. So these are the oil seeds are cultivated in the following districts like Velur, Tiruvannamalai, Viluppuram, Dharmaburi, Kadalur and Perambalur. Next important major crops for sugarcane. It is one of the major cash crop in the state. It is an annual crop. It requires high temperature and heavy rainfall. It grows well in the tropical region. Major sugarcane produce the districts Tiruvallur, Kanjipuram, Velur, Kadalur, Tiruchirappalli, Coimbatore, Erode and Tirunelveli. Next major crops for cotton. It is a fiber plant. It is a cash crop. It requires the black soil, long frost-free conditions and warm humid weathers for its cultivations. The humid weather early stage and hot. And also its need for dry weather conditions. During the harvest period, it's suitable for these crops. Mostly this type of crops are cultivated Madurai, Ramanathapuram, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Thuthukudi, Salem, Dharmaburi districts. Next I will go to start the plantation crops. Plantation crops, it is also called tea, coffee, cashew, rubber and cinchona are the major plantation crops. Mostly this type of plantation crops are cultivated the tea, coffee, Nilgiris and Yerkadu, Kolli Hills, Kodaikanal, notable for coffee plantations. It's next to Karnataka. The rubber plantations are significant Kanyakumari districts. Pepper are confined for the eastern and western slopes of Western Ghats.